Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and salam Ramadan to everyone. My name is Ahmad Azmi Izani bin Ahmad Tajuddin. ID number AM180900457. I'm currently in semester 7 in degree Bachelor Business Administration in Human Resource Management. I made this video subject Entrepreneurship of Digital Application 2, code ENT 01, and I made this video for Miss Zaidatun binti Abdul Jalil. Before I'm going through, let me tell my profile to you guys. First, I was born in Taiping, Perak, and I grew up in Taiping, Perak. I'm 23 years old, so let's begin. I made this video to tell you guys about my product that I sell to people, which is the drink milk. It names Susu Rasuria Ampang or goat milk Rasuria. The goat milk is originally came from the Rasuria Agro Farm, which I mean is they produce the goat milk in there, and it's located in Simpang Renggam, Johor. At the agro farm, I can say about hundreds or maybe 1,000 of goat is being bred at there to make a production of the goat milk. For the Rasuria company, they have produced a high quality of goat milk, and myself acts as an agent to sell the milk to the people that I live in Kuala Lumpur and near KUPTM area. As we all know, the goat milk is the second best milk drink after the mother's milk, and it can cure many of disease if we drink the goat milk. It can cure the blood pressure, lung complication, and many more. To tell you guys about the product that I sell to people, in here I have images of the product Rasuria goat milk, as you can see here. Actually, this is the advertising image that I post on social media to sell to the people. Okay, this is the Instagram name of the product, Rasuria_Ampang. And then we have the flavor, which consists of 6 flavor total. From the left row, we have a corn, we have a date or kurma flavor, and then original, chocolate, strawberry, and the last one is the honeydew. Actually, I don't have the actual product right now because it is at Kuala Lumpur and I at hometown in Taipei right now. So I do apologize to all of you who want to see my actual product. For pricing, I sell the goat milk starting price at RM6. RM6, 1 bottle of each purchase of goat milk. Bottle of goat milk that I order from the supplier is total at 80 bottle overall that I order, and it can cost maybe reach hundreds of ringgit. I think 150 ringgit that I order from the supplier to sell the goat milk. When I start to selling the goat milk, I can say that every customer that bought goat milk from me, they were satisfied and they give a positive feedback, thank you, about the goat milk when they drink it. And then I have to bear in mind, it keep frozen when I deliver to the customer, and I have to make sure that the freshness not lost in quick time. When the customer purchase the goat milk and then they drink it, they can feel the truly pure freshness of goat milk from the farm that they produce. Besides that, when customer bought the goat milk from me, usually I will deliver to them with my own strength, or we call cash on delivery, COD, and then I will get the money and I will get the profit. About the hard sale approach and soft sale approach, for hard sale approach first, usually I will sell the goat milk drink through my friend or my lecturer at the KUPTM college. By that way, I can easily get my profit through that sale. For the soft sale, I will post the information about the goat meat of Rasuria in social media, especially Instagram. In Instagram, people will easily get the information about the product that they want to view or want to buy. Honestly, I think I will comfortable selling my Rasuria goat meat through the hard sell approach, because it can easily generate my profit to become more bigger in the future. My fellow friends, when we drink the goat meat, plenty of benefit that we can get, such as a good healthy of body condition. It can cure much of disease when we have it, and many more. For the last part, I want to thank you all for watching this video about my project assignment of product video. And last but not least, for those who want to know more info about my product named Rasuria Goat Meat, you guys can follow my social media page, which is Instagram, named Rasuria_Ampang. And yeah, until we meet again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.